What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're going to learn how to turn this logo into that logo on Canva into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us. After this, learn how to do this, okay? Go to Canva, find your design, okay? Find the size that you wish. You're gonna probably get a page just like this. And all you have to do is find your logo type. Review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over apps, and search for brand fit, just like this. Here's the app that I'm looking for. And right here you can search for every single brand logo. For example, the Visualmodo logo type. Here's the logo. Right here, you're gonna be able to search for any logo that you wish, okay? Any brand logo. For example, imagine that for your design you need the Instagram logo, okay? So find the logo that you wish. In my case, it's gonna be this one. Position it on the page, just like this. Click on it, and you're gonna be able to see a button Ask Canva. Right here, we're gonna type change the style to a 3D circle. Type enter and wait for the magic to happen, okay? All you have to do is wait. No hurry, I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes. Normally it takes 1 minute to do its magic, and of course, in the case that you don't like some result, click on the image again, click on Ask Canva and try to be more specific, okay? For example, change to a 3D circle with blue colors, change to a 3D circle with red colors, and find the option that better fits your design, okay? Let's keep waiting. And here is the result I got. A full AG 3D circle logo type. And it is, you can do the same with any brand logo that you wish. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!